Welcome to our Fast Facts videos, where we demonstrate many of the advanced technologies that are shared across the Kia model range. With Kia and its speed limit information function, you have a system that has the ability to assist you in the recognition of speed limit information signs. This system recognizes and displays to the driver speed limit and passing restriction information. The system detects these signs via a camera behind the top of the windscreen. Together with the navigation system, the speed limit information function displays the signs in both the LCD display and the navigation screen. First, you'll need to activate the function in the driver user settings. Select Driving Assist followed by SLIF. SLIF is the abbreviation of Speed Limit Information Function. And here is how the system works. For example, as your Kia passes a speed limit sign, the system's camera detects the sign and will display the limit in the LCD display and navigation screen. It also displays the speed limits present on roads without signs by referencing stored data from the navigation unit. In the case of no overtaking restrictions, the system displays this information too, together with the speed limit information. If the system doesn't have reliable speed limit information, this symbol is displayed in the LCD display and the navigation screen. After passing an end of speed limit restriction zone sign, the speed limit information function provides information from the navigation to inform the driver of perhaps afterwards applicable speed limit. On motorways in Germany, there are some areas without speed limit restrictions. In this case, the speed limit information function shows an end of restriction sign for as long as another speed limit sign is not passed. Sometimes different speed limits are displayed on the same road, as the restrictions are dependent on the current road conditions. Thanks to its intelligent logic and optic-based operation, the system also recognizes and analyzes speed restrictions with additional signs such as lane arrows and rain. Please note that the system can update the speed limit information without having detected visible speed limit signs. This could happen in the following situations: changing your driving direction left or right, or performing a U-turn. Changing roads from highway to country road, for instance, and in the case of entering or exited towns or villages. To display the correct speed limits in the navigation screen, please select the correct unit. Depending on which country you're driving in, select either kilometer or mile. The last selected mode remains in the system. Additionally to kilometers an hour, miles per hour can also be displayed in the speedometer if you wish. In the user settings, go to Other Features and then select Inner Scale. The displayed speed limit in the navigation screen can be deactivated. Open the settings and select Navigation. In the guidance menu, change speed limit to off. There are some warning messages I'd like to make you familiar with. If the camera's field of vision is obscured or blocked, the speed limit information function will be deactivated. Please check the camera's viewing area on the windscreen. Do not place any accessories or stickers near the rear view mirror. Do not tint the windshield either. Objects placed on the dashboard, such as mirrors or white paper, may also reflect light and cause the system to malfunction. If the system still doesn't operate normally, even if the camera has a clear field of vision, we recommend having the system inspected by an authorized Kia dealer. In the case that the speed limit information function isn't working properly, this warning message will appear for a few seconds. After the message disappears, the master warning light will illuminate. In this case, we also recommend having the system inspected by an authorized Kia dealer. By the way, Once the ignition is turned on, the speed limit information function displays its stored information, which is a normal operational function. There are, however, a few cases in which the system may not fully operate and provide correct information. This can occur in the following situations. When the traffic signs are hard to detect, being positioned on sharp corners, or when concealed by other vehicles. When dirt, ice, or frost on the windscreen are obscuring the camera's field of vision. Malfunctioning can also be related to the navigation system, when, for example, you are in an area or countries where the navigation system is not covered, or when your navigation system has not been updated to the latest map version. For more details, please check your owner's manual. The speed limit information function is a great help, but it's an assistance system only and not a replacement for the driver's eyes. The driver always needs to drive responsibly, following all local laws and legislations. Currently, the system is only available for EU countries. Thanks for joining me. Enjoy your Kia. Goodbye.